Hi, I'm Jim. I call this channel Show Me because it has videos on everyday topics with step-by-step examples. There are some more complicated videos aimed at system administrators, but for the most part, it's everyday accounting and productivity software. A little bit about me. I have a bachelor's degree in accounting. In 2001, I became a Microsoft Certified Systems Engineer, and I taught the course. I'm a consultant, and I have my own company. I continue to explore and learn, and what I learn, I'll share with you. These videos feature mostly business software, but I'm a big fan of anything that saves time, saves money, or preserves the planet. So I'll throw a few of those in as well. If there's a topic that you would like me to cover, please message me. I will also schedule some courses in the future, so check back. Enjoy.